Hey guys, Miss Gregory, Advanced Book, Lessons 3, 4, and 3, 5 combined. You can see the textbook pages. These lessons are multiplying and dividing with integers. Don't forget you need notebook paper, pencil, your hardback book with the 7th grade material, and the reason to write this down, because I don't want you to forget it. Alright, we talked in class the easy spun rule. Same sign, positive answer, unlike signs, negative answer. Make sure you write this in your notes. And remember, your notes should be headed like this. Lesson 3.4/3.5, multiply and divide integers. Page number. Alright, from the lesson 3.4 examples on pages 234 and 235. I put all of the examples on one page, and so you can do the got it's on the next page. We went through these examples in class talking about same signs have a positive answer, unlike signs have a negative answer. So you can see 3 times negative 5, the answer is negative 15. Negative 6 times 8 is negative 48. 2 times 6, positives, positive answer. Even though in example 4, both of these are negative numbers, the answer is a positive answer. 2 negatives, same symbol, have a positive answer. With the exponent, looking at it, it's in parentheses, so you are saying negative 4 times negative 4. Being 2 negatives, the answer is a positive 16. Example 6, you're multiplying more than 2 numbers, so just go in order and get your symbols. So negative 3 times negative 4, positive 12. Positive 12 times a negative 2. The answer would be, unlike signs, an answer of negative 24. Okay, the got it's from 234 and 235. We're going to put them all on this page. You're going to do A through E. You should pause the video so that you can look at these got it's, write them down, answer them, and then check, come back here and see if you did them correctly. Alright, now you should be able to see the answers to the got it's. Easy enough. Of the few that needed to be worked out, I tried to show you with the exponents and multiplying more than one number. So moving on. Now you should do the guided practice for page 236, numbers 1 through 5. Write the problem on your notebook paper. Give me the answer, show any work that's necessary, and rate yourself. Now, after you do the guided practice for this lesson 3.4, come back, finish the video on lesson 3.5. All of these examples are on multiplying. The same rule applies for multiplying and dividing. Alright, so lesson 3.5, I'm going to combine the pages 244 and 245 with examples. And as you can see, I've marked out to the side. We're not going to go over example 3. That's something covered in a different chapter, and we've skipped around, so we'll have to come back to that. But example 1, again, we did these together in class. Same rule apply, spun, same sign positive, unlike signs negative. So 80 divided by negative 10 would be negative 8 because they're unlike signs. In example 2, I told you just please pay attention to, they can show division like a fraction, so sometimes people get confused, but really you're just saying negative 55 divided by 11 would be negative 5. Example 4, we've got 2 negative numbers which make a positive answer, and same for example 5, written like a fraction, negative 27 divided by negative 3 equals a positive 9. And then example 6, we have some questions where you are evaluating. Evaluate means find the answer. You have to substitute and solve. You need to substitute the letter x with the number that's provided. It said if x equals -4. So now your problem becomes -16 divided by -4. The two negatives make a positive answer of 4. Alright, here's where you're going to do all of the guidance for pages 244 through 245. These would be guidance A through G. Again, you need to write the problem, show work if necessary, and put your final answer. This is where you should pause, write it down, and come back to check your answer. Alright, now you can check your guided answers and see me if you have any questions at school. They're pretty straightforward. The same signs, positive answer, unlike signs, negative answer. I showed a little bit of work when I was substituting the last problem. Evaluate A divided by B when A is -33 and B is -3. When you divide, you've got same signs, so you've got a positive answer this time of 11. And we are going to also skip over some of the examples, in this case number 7, and go straight to the guided practice. So guided practice on page 246, you would do on your own notebook paper. You will do all the problems 1 through 8. Please write the problems, show any work, and then give your final answer, making sure you have the correct sign. Same sign positive, unlike sign negative. Thanks, guys. That's a wrap. We'll see you tomorrow. I made it short and sweet. Bye.